Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Google account. Go straight to My Account. Google.com. Once there, open the Security tab and find the password area. You must verify identity, enter your current password, and be ready to use your phone or a backup code because Google will confirm it's you. This first step prevents lockouts and protects recovery options. After verification, you'll be presented with fields to enter a new password. Don't skip the next step that ensures strength and uniqueness. Once verified, focus on choosing a secure new password. You should create a 12+ character phrase that mixes uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. This raises entropy and resists guessing. Type the new password into both fields slowly, then confirm they match. Make sure to store it in a trusted password manager. That way you won't reuse weak or repeated passwords across sites. If you must memorize, use a memorable sentence with substitutions. However, managers are safer and faster for future logins. After entering and confirming the new password, click Save or change password to finalize. Google may sign you out of other sessions. Accept that for security. Once done, make sure to enable two-step verification to add a second layer of protection using SMS, an authenticator app, or security keys. If something goes wrong and you cannot sign in, use backup codes or start the account recovery flow. Make sure to act quickly, because stalled recovery attempts can delay access and complicate verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.